Hello guys, welcome back to Enough Things. But for today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Disney Plus not playing sound. Now, if Disney Plus here is not playing any sound, there are a few things here that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to do the basics here. So you want to make sure that your device volume is pretty high. Now sometimes, like, if usually at the right side or left side here, you have your volume button, so you may want to increase the volume for it. So in this case, go ahead and increase that and see if that helps. But obviously, that's just a basic, so there are other things here that you may want to do. So another thing that you may want to do here is you want to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. Now sometimes, especially if you have an outdated app here or version of the app, to be speaking, you may encounter a lot of issues. So you want to go ahead and open up Google Play Store. You want to look for Disney Plus, and if you do see any update button, go ahead and just press on the update button and see if that actually helps. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to check the permissions on Disney Plus. So you want to press and hold on it until you see this pop up here. So you want to click on the eye icon, and in here you want to go ahead and click on app permissions. And from here, you should see a bunch of permissions. So I would recommend you to enable all the permissions in here. So this is just for testing purposes, see if that actually helps. Once you've done that, go ahead and use it and see if that helps. Now, another thing you may want to do is you may want to clear your cache for it. So at the bottom right here, click on clear data. At the bottom right, click on clear cache and OK. Once you've done that, open up Disney Plus and see if that helps. And finally, if none of this actually work, you could try basically uninstalling the app itself. So you want to press and hold on it, click on the trash icon, and once you've done that, go ahead and open up Google Play Store, reinstall it again, and see if that helps. But that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.